What are you playing with?
My helicopter.
Awesome. Do you remember who brought that to us? Who?
I don't know.
You don't know? It was Daddy's friend, Mr. Do you remember his name? What was his name? Do you remember? Mr. Matt.
Mr. Matt?
Yeah, remember how nice it was to bring that for us? Yeah, he was so nice.
Is Mr. Matt bring my car?
Yeah, he brought the whole thing. He went and bought one for his son, too. His son is named Jacob.
Daddy, is Mr.
What is that?
Matt, is Mr. Matt brings this for me?
No, I don't think so. Just a helicopter and some love. What are you going to do? What does it do? Show me. Oh, the car goes in there? Wow, that's awesome.
How does the window blanket roll?
Hmm?
There's a big wheel.
Uh-huh. Oh. What does that do? Oh my goodness.
There's the car.
Oh, does that pop the car out? How do you get the door open? How do you get the back door open to let the car out? What button do you press? Oh, the red one. Awesome.
This one, Daddy.
I see. That one.
I get the car in here.
I'm gonna get the car in there. All right.
Turn this on.
You can turn that on.
You have to be quiet.
You have to be quiet. Okay. Is it gonna lift off? Is it gonna fly? Well, we'll have to get down so you can fly it around the house. Okay.
As the bigger I can fly up the air.
When you get bigger, you can fly it up the air. Yes, you can.
Look, Daddy, look at my car.
Yeah.
Going now.
Awesome. Here comes the car.
Stop.
What do you want me to say? Watch your face. Well, I just wanted you guys to see that I'm thoroughly enjoying my son this morning, playing with his helicopter before we go to school. So, tell everyone you love them.
I love you.
Say bye.
Bye. Is I going to school?
Yeah, you're going to school.
Mama told me?
Bye, guys.